Life doesn't hit the rewind button. It doesn't give you a second chance. So don't wait for the perfect day. Just start. Every day is the fresh day. Every day is a fresh page in your story. Just write it down and make sure you make it count. Because life passes by the blink of your eyes. Opportunities passes by the blink of your eyes. Life doesn't give you replace, no do-overs. It's like a typewriter. Once it is typed, it can't be edited. So make sure you write such things that doesn't make you regret. Give your best every day as life doesn't give you a second chance. Thank you so much.